Hello, I'm James Bryden from CLPM. Today I'm going to cover a topic that lots of people ask us about. How can I keep my building project within my budget during the design and planning phase? In the next few minutes I'll explain how getting a professional to estimate your construction costs at this early stage will help you keep your project on track. Building is an exciting process, but it can be stressful. Every week we talk to people whose projects have run into financial difficulties, usually when they've started to get unaffordable quotes from builders. Typically, it's down to three things. Their architectural designs are too ambitious, the project has incurred additional unforeseen expenses, or the scope has increased. Whatever the situation, the real reason they've run into problems is a lack of financial planning in the design phase. In this video, we'll explain how a quantity surveyor can help prevent your designs becoming unaffordable and save you a lot of heartache too. We've talked previously about the importance of understanding and budgeting for all of the costs involved in carrying out building works, and why setting your maximum total project budget, and within that, your construction budget, is vital. So, hopefully, you already have a construction budget figure which you and your architect have been using to create your designs. Now you need to establish how much your outline designs will cost to build and double check the total is within your construction budget. Many architects will do this by working on a cost per square metre basis, but this is not always very accurate. It can miss some of the extra costs of your project, such as landscaping or redecoration of your existing spaces. And it also doesn't give you a feel for where your costs come from. If you want to really get control on your costs, you need to get a proper line-by-line estimate. Getting a quantity surveyor to go through your designs and prepare a thorough breakdown of the different elements of work will achieve this. Doing this is much more accurate and will help reassure you that your costs haven't got out of hand at this early stage. Detailed cost estimates will also help you understand what you can afford for the high-ticket items, such as kitchens or glazing too, as well as which materials are worth spending time shopping around for to get the best prices, for example, floor finishes. If your costs have grown a bit too high, having this breakdown will help you understand where and how to trim your designs or your specifications to get your costs back in line with your budget. This is known as value engineering and is something your experienced quantity surveyor can help you with. This can be a useful exercise even if you've not gone over budget, as it can show you how and where to make savings and build more cost effectively. Following this process of working with an experienced quantity surveyor can save you a great deal of stress and money. Getting accurate, actionable estimates at the pre-construction phase can help reduce your design costs, as it will prevent you potentially wasting money on costly redesigns or new planning applications. And ultimately, it could also make the difference between your project going ahead or not. We hope you found this video useful. If you want any more information on how to budget for your construction project, then we'd love to hear from you. Just drop us an email, contact us via our website, or give us a call. Thanks for listening.